See, the good thing about our initial struggle is that though we lost the time of our age, of our time, and of our life, but somewhere Rajkumar Rao kind of actors are ready to be accepted by the industry and the audience. Okay, somewhere one feels good that we've contributed in a major way in making things possible for the future generation of actors of our kind of actors. And when I look back and on my body of work, and I'm equally proud, though we spent so much of time struggling and in conflicts with the mainstream minds, but somewhere we managed to create a body of work. So at the end of the day, if the things start moving, things start rolling in the right direction, you don't have regrets.
Right.
Yeah, when I look at Rajkumar, I envy him. He's getting it all easy now. He's in the right age. Yes, but I can't help it.
But you have a huge future yourself ahead in terms of the kind of roles that probably are getting offered and the kind of roles
I just
that
hope so, because in your 40s, suddenly you are being called sir, and some people are desperate to call you a veteran, though I hate that word. But what is good that at this age I'm getting a role to play which is far more bigger to me in terms of age.
Right.
That is Siras of Aligarh, and I'm capable to understand the characters much more. Because my experience has been quite wide and large, and I'm ready to enjoy my work much more. But earlier, because it was too much of a struggle, too much of getting into the character, a very intense process. But now, I'm enjoying my work. Every time.
Also, is there's this new breed of directors out there who are coming out with
They're not only
exciting stories.
New kind of producers are coming to
Also, right.
back these kind of films.
Right.
New kind of directors are coming up, with new ideas, and the actors in numbers. I can say, I always, I'm a firm belief that there's not one great actor today. There are too many great actors suddenly. So
Right.
that's a great thing. That's a great scenario to be in.
Right.
There are so many finest actors in this country. This is the time we were looking forward to. Okay, this is the time that we struggled for, and if it's happening, it's great. I mean, I'm happier than I'm the happiest today.
And are you looking forward to working with some of the young directors? I mean, what are the kind
I
of projects
find
that you
I don't.
because I know that
I don't wait
Masan
for.
mein you were supposed to play one of the roles.
Yes, and
earlier,
it
you
was
couldn't
me
play.
who was struggling with Neeraj Gheman
Right.
to make a film with me.
Acha.
Yes, I'm still struggling with Shlok Sharma, who made his first film as Haram Khor.
Right.
Since the time he was assisting in Wasipur,
Right.
since that time I have been struggling with Vasan Bala,
Vasan Bala.
Shlok, Neeraj Gheman to make a film with me. And there is a talent who's called Devashish Makhija.
Makhija, right.
He just directed me in a short film, and he's almost ready to make his first film with me.
Right.
So I try to find a talent, and I just chase them. I don't have any ego when it comes to roles and the talent that I want to work with. I want to work with new directors, new great directors, because they are challenging me all the time. I worked with Somendra Pathi for Duranto. I worked with Mukul Abhyankar in Missing. Okay, Rajesh Pillai in Traffic, Sanjeev Sharma Saath Chakki, and these are the Devashish Makhija for this short film, and I'm going to be working with him. There's another film that I'm doing for Drishyam with a new director. All new directors,
Exciting time to be an actor, like you're saying.
not only see, these are the new directors who are non-compromising. That's the most important thing. Okay, they are not letting me go easy, not at all. They want the result from me. They are challenging me. So if they are challenging me, I have no other way but to reinvent myself. And this is what I want to do with myself as an actor.
Thanks so much. That was lovely. I can see the passion in your eyes when you're saying that.
Yeah.